So, you're thinking about upgrading your car with a multimedia unit? Pro Install dealers are here to make that process effortless while delivering exceptional service and high-quality products. The friendly, knowledgeable team is here to guide you every step of the way. They'll take the time to understand your needs, answer all your questions, and recommend the perfect system tailored to you and your car, so that you can feel confident with your choice. Kenwood's multimedia systems are designed to transform your time on the road. Whether you're looking for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, Bluetooth compatibility, or seamless smartphone integration, our products are built to keep you connected, entertained, and in control. Once you've chosen the right unit for you, the Pro Install Centre will select a premium ACV fitting kit from their catalogue of 6,000 parts to guarantee a perfect fit and flawless integration into your vehicle's dashboard. The Pro Installers will then take over, ensuring a smooth and professional installation. The team handles every detail with care and precision, protecting your car during the process so you can rest assured that your vehicle is in expert hands. After installation, our Pro Installers will pair your phone, set up all the factory settings, and make sure the system works perfectly, while retaining your factory car functions. We'll even walk you through how to use your new multimedia unit and answer any final questions, leaving you confident and ready to hit the road with your upgraded system. Kenwood's multimedia units are compatible with countless models of vehicles, and we always ensure the correct accessories are used for a seamless and integrated look. To give you even more peace of mind, Kenwood offers an extended 3-year warranty on selected models when fully installed by a Kenwood Pro Install dealer, so you know you're covered long after you drive away. When it comes to premium products and expert service, Kenwood is your one-stop shop for a hassle-free upgrade. Let us handle everything so you can enjoy a better, more connected driving experience. Kenwood. Love your journey.